Hello everyone and welcome to Financially Free 2.0. Shiba Inu, which is considered to be the brother coin of Dogecoin, with the fatherly figure of Elon Musk, is shooting up like anything, and we need to know till what point it can shoot up, after which it can show a retracement or a pullback. Is it a good time to enter now from the perspective of a small trade? From the perspective of a swing trade, or from the perspective of a long term trade? We'll have a look at the chart of Shiba Inu and understand the demand and supply zones and what all has been happening, though it is very less restricted to the technical analysis part of it, because the core reason of the buying which has come in this coin of Shiba Inu is primarily because of the tweet of Elon Musk. So what tweet did Elon Musk have on this issue? We'll have a look at that. So he tweeted, the SpaceX CEO Elon Musk tweeted a photo of the newest member in his family, a pet, Floki, which is a Shiba Inu puppy, sitting on a Tesla. And since then, the price has been moving up. So let's have a look at what image he tweeted. This is the image of his pet sitting on a Tesla. And after this was done on the 4th of October, as you can see here, after which the price of Shiba Inu has shot up like anything. So let's have a look at the chart as well. This is the chart of Shiba Inu, and this is the daily time frame. Actually, let's have a look at the weekly time frame. A quick glance at the weekly time frame. So this is the weekly time frame over here, and we can see that Shiba Inu shot up over here to the levels of 0.5 over here, after which it made a low to this point, which is below actually 0.0001. So 0.1 to 0.5, this was the jump from here, after which it made a resistance over here. And after this breakout occurred in this current week, we can see that the price is moving up in the bullish direction with a huge buying coming in. All right, let's go ahead to the daily time frame, where we have a few trend lines in place. All right, so this is a very truncated window over here between the resistance. This level here is the resistance, this level here is the support, and this channel is a very truncated one. And the price has been moving in this sideways channel right from June till October, and this first week of October we are seeing a surge in the price. So from the long term view, I mean, it is very much obvious that the price has shot up just because of that particular tweet of Elon Musk, and there is a lot of volume coming in as well. So the volumes have shot by more than 700% over here in this cryptocurrency of Shiba Inu. And if you are anticipating this kind of a move right now, it is very much unrealistic. That is what I feel, because with so much volumes coming in, with so many members participating, so many shareholders, actually you can call each one of them as shareholders participating in this coin of Shiba Inu, it is very much unlikely that the price will shoot up again over here like this, until and unless there is no more stimulus coming in from Elon Musk by way of a tweet or something. All right. So from the long term view, it is very much obvious that the price is very much overextended from this median over here. This curve here, the black one, this black curve is actually the EMA 21 curve, and it is very much understood that the price is overextended from this curve. So it is not a good choice to enter Shiba Inu right now from the perspective of a longer horizon. All right, but let's have a look whether something is in store over here for us in the shorter horizon. Let's move ahead to the daily, to the 1 hour time frame. And in this 1 hour time frame, there is something very interesting to see, that the price has been moving in a very structured manner with making higher highs and higher lows. So this higher highs, higher lows formation is a very structured one, and it has been taking its support here for with the help of the EMA 21 curve, this black curve over here. All right, and the price was very close to this curve over here just a few hours earlier, and now it is a very high case probability that the price will be making another high and making another low over here, right? So this is the target which you can have from the perspective of a swing trade, and something like this can be expected. So swing trade possibility and a good return is in store. Let's have a calculation of around how much you can gain. If you're having a look at this video very soon after it has been uploaded on the channel, it will help you. But if you are, I mean, if you're watching it really late, then this piece of the video is not that pertinent to you right now. From the current price till this level of 2.8, it is a growth of around 29 or 30%, you can say. So which is a good one, and this is definitely a possibility. But from the long term, I think you should wait and watch for some. I mean, it is not so much dependent on technical parameters. So who is the best person who can help us out with the price prediction of Shiba Inu? It is actually Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the best guy in the world right now who can help us with the prediction of these coins. A tweet from him, be it with a positive bias or a negative bias, can make tremendous changes in the price chart of these coins, right? So instead of having a close look at the technical chart of Shiba Inu, it's better you have a closer look on the tweets of Elon Musk whenever you get a chance, right? So that is when, and whenever some kind of a search comes in any cryptocurrency, it's firstly better to have a look at Elon Musk's Twitter handle and get to know what actually he has been saying in the past. So that will give you an idea about the momentum and the buying that is coming in these coins. So Shiba Inu looking good for a trading opportunity, a short trade, 1 day or 2 day, that kind of nature. But the long term bias is not that clear, and going with the principle of technical analysis, the Dow theory that we know, we can expect the price to retrace down, after which you can enter as well. And the earlier resistance of 0.00001 will actually be the support this time, and maybe that is the correct price to buy for a elongated or a more than short term trade, you can say. Long term, that is the definition of long term, is actually more than a month. That is what is my perspective of saying long term. Thank you for watching the video till the very end and giving your valuable time. If you found it valuable, make sure that you share, subscribe, comment, follow, and all these things, which helps YouTube know that you're liking and enjoying these videos on this channel. Thank you, and I'll be seeing you again.